In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Windows 10 run faster. A slow computer can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to complete important tasks. One easy way to improve performance is by freeing up storage using the built-in disk cleanup tool. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu, which allows you to quickly search for apps, tools, and settings on your computer. Next, type Disk Cleanup into the search bar. As you type, suggestions will appear. When you see Disk Cleanup in the results, click on it to open the tool. Once the Disk Cleanup window opens, you'll be asked to select the drive you want to clean. In most cases, this will be the C drive, which is where your operating system and most applications are installed. Select it and click OK. The tool will now scan your drive to calculate how much space can be freed. This may take a few moments. After the scan is complete, you'll see a list of file categories, such as temporary files, cache files, and thumbnails. Check the boxes next to the types of files you want to remove. Temporary files and thumbnails are usually safe to delete and can free up a noticeable amount of storage space. For an even deeper cleanup, click the Clean Up System Files button. This allows the tool to search for additional items, such as system error memory dump files and other unnecessary system data. After reviewing and selecting the files you want to remove, click OK, then Confirm by selecting Delete Files. The Disk Cleanup tool will remove the selected files and free up space on your computer. By clearing out unnecessary files, your system can run more efficiently and respond faster. Regularly using Disk Cleanup is a simple way to maintain better performance in Windows 10. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you can help your computer run smoother and faster.